I'm very proud to work for Greif, whether it be outreach and donations to schools. We've hosted engineering classes to come in here and learn more about the blow molding process. I feel like our workforce has a lot of ownership and pride. There's a saying, if the only thing you take home at the end of a week is a paycheck, it's not nearly enough. So we strive to have people that have pride in what they're doing and are really proud of the products that add value in people's lives.
We have a family atmosphere. We're a tight-knit group. I feel like we get along. We work well together. We care about each other and take care of each other.
The hurricane is devastating. We were able to donate a truckload of fuel containers to the worst hit areas in North Carolina. So if you think about all the fuel containers we produced and shipped out to help all those in need, it's just excellent. My team did a great job. We immediately started working 24/7.
Our team is so proud they have to work the weekend to produce these gas cans to us available to supply North Carolina as donation.
It's great to be part of something and to know the benefit that we have provided to those people that are in need. North Carolina was hit so hard, and it makes me feel really good that we make a product that changes people's lives or helps them get through the worst parts of their lives potentially.